So today I will be driving to the highest peak of the mountain in Thailand. It will take around like 2 hours to drive from the city center to the peak, and there is like natural trail that we can like walk around and explore the nature. So I'm very excited. Let's go. So this mountain is called Inthanon and it's in Chiang Mai province. The elevation is like 2,500 meters. It's supposed to be really cool up there. And one thing that you need to remember before you actually make plans to come here and go to the peak is that it's not open all year round. In rainy season and like some months of the year, they're going to shut it down to let the nature like recover itself before it's open up for tourists again. So keep that in mind. So here we go. So here we are driving up to the peak. So the road is decent as you can see, but I do not recommend you to bring the small scooter or like small car up here because it will be really challenging for the engine. So this is a second checkpoint. Basically they are going to check out tickets and how many people in the car and stuff, because you have to pay the ticket, the entrance ticket, like per person. So yeah. So it's only like 200 baht per group. It's not per person, it's like per group. And you will need a tour guide to go with you to the trail because they won't let you go there alone. And this is my tour guide for today. สวัสดีค่ะ ไม่มีค่ะ เป็นคนไม่มีเพื่อน ระยะทางกี่กิโลนะคะ
ทั้งหมด3 กิโลเนาะ
Like from here you can actually hear the waterfall. You can hear some birds. It's really pretty. So make sure you have water with you and something warm to wear in case it's getting cold. Normally it's really cold up here, but today is really sunny and it's not really winter yet. So it's pretty nice. Not too cold. It's a really nice day to walk. That's the first waterfall. It's pretty nice. Right, let's continue. So that's where all the waterfall begins. Nice. ถือว่าเป็นงานที่ดีนะคะไม่เป็นที่ทำงานที่สวยมาก It's quite challenging. Well, stay on the trail. Okay, I don't really have a choice actually. พี่ เดี๋ยวไปพักกันตรงที่จุดชมวิวเนาะ So this is why this place is so famous. It's really pretty, and today is not that cold. It's pretty windy up here, so if you guys actually want to try to come up here, just make sure you have your warm clothes, and yeah, make sure you have good camera, because this is worth like capturing the moment. Well, my tour guide is up there. She needs some rest. She said it's really tiring. I don't feel like that. It's worth walking up here. Look at that. Look at this. It's amazing, isn't it? I don't really see anything because it's quite foggy today, but yeah, still worth it. เดินไปเลย Okay. เขินเหรอ Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. So that cliff is famous for the heart in the middle of it. This looks like a heart over there. It's pretty nice. So my tour guide decided to take me off track a little bit, just to go see the pagoda from behind. So that we can see two pagoda over there from the other viewpoint. This is actually a really good workout. My heart rate right now is like at 120. So yeah, it's a good chance to work out as well. ที่นี่เขาจะปิดปรับปรุงเดือนไหนมั่งอะคะพี่ มิถุนาถึงช่วงไหนคะพี่เขาปิดมิถุนาเดือนมิถุนาอะไรเนาะหรอแล้วเขาจะเปิดอีกทีเมื่อไหร่เปิดก็พฤศจิกาเขาเปิดOkay. Yeah, just because they have to close down this place in the rainy season, because it's going to be like so muddy, and you know, and they want the nature to recover from tourists, I would say. Yeah, so make sure that when you plan to come here, pick the right time. Otherwise you drive all the way here and this place will be closed, and that will be so lame. So all the way drive up to the peak of the mountain, there's so many things to discover, including this place is like a local market where they have their fruit, their veggie and stuff, like local veggie, seasonal fruit sell here. So let's see what they have. Egg fruit. It's really rare. Thai style grilled banana. This is actually a brilliant way to gain some energy after the walk.